friends, welcome back. Today, let's learn all about the letter H. H makes the H sound. Can you say that? Great job! H for hot dog. Using colored Play-Doh, let's fill in our hot dog. We're going to start with the bun. What color is this? You're right. This is the color beige. Let's fill in both sides of our hot dog bun. Good job! Now that our hot dog bun is complete, let's color in our hot dog using brown Play-Doh. Awesome job! Now we have a hot dog and a hot dog bun. What do you like to put on your hot dog, boys and girls? I like to put ketchup. Let's add the red ketchup. The hot dog is almost ready to eat. What else do you put on your hot dog? How about mustard? Mustard is yellow. Boys and girls, let's also add some relish. Our relish is green. There you go, you got it. All of the toppings on our hot dog are complete. Hot dog, H-O-T, D-O-G. Americans eat 20 billion hot dogs every year. That's about 70 hot dogs per person. That's a lot of hot dogs. Millions of people have enjoyed hot dogs for over 100 years. This quick snack is mostly eaten at baseball games, backyard barbecues, and at street vendors. Boys and girls, it was fun learning about hot dogs, but what other words can you think of that start with the letter H? Horse! You're right! Horse starts with the letter H. You're right, boys and girls. Hot also begins with the letter H. Did you say hug? I love hugs. You're right. Hugs begin with the letter H. Great job, my friends. Thank you so much for exploring the letter H with me today and for learning all about hot dogs. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.